Several years ago, I got a call from the dean's office. We'd love to have a study abroad program in Taiwan. Are you interested? I said, that sounds great. I never thought this was possible for engineers.
A lot of times engineering students think studying abroad is not for them because their curriculum is so dense and so involved, but that's what this one's all about.
Phoenix is like the hub of semiconductors in the US. And within that, I got to know about this Taiwan trip, which is like the motherland of semiconductors. That's what we say.
I was looking for something to do over the summer that wasn't like research or wasn't like just a normal class.
We had students of a full range in that room. Some of them were first-year students who hadn't had much exposure to college at all. Some of them were military folks who were doing this program while on leave. And
I didn't even find any friends to go with me. I was like, you know what? Anybody that goes there is probably going to be pretty cool. So they got me in contact with Dr. David Ali.
I talked to Professor David Ali. He was like, yeah, you should enroll into this.
Through this 2-week experience, they get to see a sophisticated yet very different culture. It's not just different, but it's also an integral part of the semiconductor industry that many of them are going to be a part of.
When I was packing, I was low-key kind of nervous. First time going fully abroad, overseas, because this does not look anything like the United States.
I went to India for my summer vacation, and then from there I went to Taipei. I had a comparatively shorter flight compared to my American counterparts, so I was happy about that.
Never been on a flight that's been majority water for 16, 17 hours. So I was a little nervous, but we made it there safely, so that's all that really mattered,
And as soon as I landed there, one of those guys was at the airport to pick me up. He was just right there waving outside at the airport, and he took me in the metro, which is a 45 minutes to 1 hour train journey, carried my luggage and stuff, and he made sure I was checked in into my hotel. We were taken good care of, that's what I would say.
we were in central Taipei and we stayed at the YMCA Hotel, which is not like the YMCA we know in the United States.
The YMCA downtown Taipei is a wonderful place.
You have the 2 twin beds, so you have you and your roommate. They have washing machines.
We would play with Nintendo Switch at night, like Super Mario or something. So that was really cool for me to, be with an American, to see how they see things.
I do want to warn the students that in May, Taiwan is hot and humid. It is a green, lush, tropical jungle. It usually rains every day.
The rain there was actually insane. One of my friends, he had his umbrella, and the whole thing went inside out. Instead of hanging down like it normally does, it was hanging up, collecting rain.
So every morning we would wake up, we would start class at 8:30 a.m., have 3 hours of lecture. We had 3 guest speakers. 2 of them were professors, and one was the dean of business school, and they gave talks on how to do business in Asia, differences in culture between Asia and the West, and then go find your lunch outside somewhere at all these wonderful stalls selling Taiwanese delicacies, and then in the afternoon we would go explore Taipei.
Party time, or maybe not the party time, but it was the fun time, because then we would go and actually see places in Taipei around Taiwan.
There's a Malcolm gondola that takes you about an hour ride deep into the jungle with tea shops and restaurants at the top.
When you're going up there, you're able to see it how vast the jungle is. And we saw a building that had gold-plated walls and stuff like that. It's just out there. It's you see pure green and then just a house. How do you get there? No clue.
The subway system is massive. It's absolutely spotlessly clean. You are not allowed to eat or drink anything on it.
Why are you eating on the subway in the first place?
They meet several guest speakers that have extensive industrial contacts and share email. We also make clear to them that there are opportunities for them to come and intern in Taiwan, come and work in Taiwan. There are programs that we're setting up with various universities in Taiwan.
One of the best things that happened out of this course was me getting a job. And this one reached out to me saying that we have this position at Lam Research. Are you interested in that? 1 week later, I have an interview. The interview was 10 o'clock in the morning. At 4 o'clock in the evening, I received a call that, are you interested in joining our company? All in all, ASU, studying about semiconductors, going for this trip to Taiwan, all of it made a complete picture for me.
Are you interested in studying abroad? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Both Fulton Schools of Engineering and the Global Education Office offer scholarships to cover some of the cost of your program.